Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with that beautiful 300 SL from Mercedes, the Gullwing. Right in front of me we have the stage 30, so let's get on with that and start this beautiful build. So we've got the window wiper linkages. We've not touched that, did we? Did we do anything with that? I think yeah. Well, this is, we're going back to the previous stage because I forgot something. I still had this linkage, the drive shaft done, and I haven't put it. All right. Oh, that's a lot better. So we put that together. I had to file a little bit of the edges of the insides right there because it wasn't coming together properly. There were little edges on the outer part of that linkage, and that was stopping it from going in. So we're putting an HM screw in there. We're going back to the linkages for the window wipers and the firewall. So we've got these three together. There's one that has two holes in it, and be careful with where you put that. So we're putting that there, and then taking the one that has two holes in it and putting into the top one with that pin going away from us. So like that. Yep. And we're putting that one on the other side as well. So I'm going to have to make that a little bit bigger, being very careful when we do that. Well, I haven't got anything. Let's do it with a screwdriver. Just the first part of it. Yep, it will not take it. There we go. It's in there now. And I need to turn it so it's up. So we've got that now. And now we're putting the other small one in the lower hole of the two, and from the other side than the first one, like so. And now we're putting this whole system into the tiny holes that we have right there. All right, we've got that linkage in, as you can see right there. Is that it for this stage? It is. Ignition and headlight relays. So let's put that aside, get that one out. All right, and we've got an IP to use. All right, let's get that out. That one. Let's turn that around, and it should be in like so. Then we're putting these two together. All right, we're putting those two together. Then these are tiny parts and fiddly as anything. All right, that is on as well, as you can see right there. I'm not too happy with it because it's not closing up on this side. Then we're putting this one in like so onto the firewall with a CM screw. There, that's in properly. Would have been easier to put into before we let's take it out and put it back in after, because this is a little bit strange. All right, we're putting this one back again. All right, so we put that back in there. Now we're putting this one in, holding that on and putting a DP underneath. All right, we've got that one in as well, and that's the last thing we do in 31. 32 is the last stage that we do in this video. So let's see what that is. There's more on this firewall most probably. All right, this is completing the firewall, assembling the fit windshield washer tank, fuse box and hoses to the firewall. All right, let's see what kind of screw is going DP. Something I forgot. Remember that lead that we just put away? That lead goes under here. There's a screw that we had to put in. But right there, that was an HP screw to keep that wire neatly in there. And we're going to put a IP in that. All right, that's that one in. I know it, guys, it's black on black, I know. We're putting this one into the hole that is right next to this box and under that one, and then into that hole on the side, and we're putting a CM in that, and it's neatly in there. It's hard to see because it's all black on black, but it's in there. And what's next? And we're putting that in there like so with 2 CMs. This material has gone a bit strange. There we go. Water washer bottle is in. These are very fiddly things to put in, guys. What's on the back of that? IPs. Alright, we've put that little hose in. That's hard for you to see, but it's all black on black, that's why it's so hard. Another CM to put in on the side here with that hose that goes through into the firewall. Alright, from here to there. And that is it for this stage. The whole firewall's all together. I think most of it is together now. Most of it is together now. Maybe you can see that here lit up a little bit better. There's a going from here, two from there, one in there. Alright, that's that. Thank you very much for watching that. It's been putting together that, well, let's do this one. This firewall with all those things in there was very fiddly, but very nice to do. Let me just have a sip of my tea. Nice tea. Try this way. I'm going on with Lapsen Suturing after this. So I'm still going on with some more stages. This was, what was the last stage? 32. Let me just write that down before I forget. And then we have 33 to 35 to do. And I can show you a Mercedes-Benz, or at least a video every week, and then the new one comes. It's on its way already. That's the one that is supposed to be brought in by DHL today. So let's see what that brings, and I hope to see you next time. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and see you that next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.